Hi, my name is Daniel. I come to show you make how make chicken teriyaki free and relax. The ingredients is skinless chicken breasts, teriyaki sauce, oil, onions, garlic, carrot, eggs, brown rice, the peppers, soy sauce, sesame oil. Now marinate chicken in teriyaki sauce in the fridge for at least an hour.
Cut the vegetables, carrot, onion, and broccoli, and go cooking. The rice to be fried. Put in pan with oil and fry it until it is well browned. In a wok or deep skillet. Add the chicken in teriyaki marinade. Add cooked thoroughly over high heat. Set aside. In a pan add the oil and cook onions, garlic and carrot until onions are translucent. Beat add eggs and pour into the cleared half of the pan. Scramble the eggs and mix with the rest of vegetables. And rice. Cooking chicken, sauce, sesame oil and pepper. Mix well and let the rice cook until slightly crispy. Already spin 3-4 minutes, serving and enjoying the special meals.